Hi everyone, hola todos. My name is Catherine. I'm from the Cobb County Public Library, and today we're going to celebrate our last Hispanic Heritage Month Bookmobile Craft Kit, which Hispanic Heritage Month was celebrated starting September 15 to October 15. But we're also celebrating Indigenous Peoples Day, which was on October the 12th. So today we're going to read a book about a girl that doesn't match. And the book is called Marisol McDonald Doesn't Match by Monica Brown, illustrated by Sara Palacios. My name is Marisol McDonald, and I don't match. At least, that's what everyone tells me. I play soccer with my cousin Tato, and he says, Marisol, your skin is brown like mine, but your hair is the color of carrots. You don't match. Actually, my hair is the color of fire, I say, and kick the ball over Tato's head and into the goal. My brother says, Marisol, those pants don't match. That shirt, they clash. But I love green polka dots and purple stripes. I think they go great together. Don't you? Do you think they go great together? I think they look good. I also love peanut butter and jelly burritos. And speaking Spanish, English, and sometimes both. Can I have a puppy, a furry, sweet perrito? I asked my parents. Por favor. Quizás, Mommy says. Maybe, Dad says, smiling and winking. My teacher, Miss Apple, doesn't like the way I said my name. Marisol McDonald, she says. This doesn't match. At school, we learn to print and use cursive, but not at the same time. But I like the way Marisol McDonald looks. At recess, Oli and Emma want to play pirates, and Noah wants to play soccer. How about soccer playing pirates, I suggest. No way, they say. So I run off and play on the swings by myself. After recess, we have art, my favorite subject. I think my drawing surprised my friends. Look how funny that is. It's a pink elephant with polka dots. At lunch, Oli walks over to me and scrunches his nose. A peanut butter jelly burrito? He asks. I know, I say. It doesn't match, but it sure tastes good. Marisol, you couldn't match if you wanted to, Oli says. Oh yeah? Bet I can. Do you think she's going to be able to match? Let's see. The next day, I wake up and decide that today, I, Marisol McDonald, will match. It's a little hard to find clothes that are all the same color. I played pirates with Oli at recess, but it's not very fun. Why can't pirates play soccer anyway? I have a regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich at lunch, and the bread tastes, mushy. Even art class is a little bit boring. Marisol, Miss Apple says, what's wrong? This doesn't look like your usual work. I'm trying to match, I say, Miss, with a frown. Why? Asked Miss Apple. I can't think of a single good reason. At the end of the day, Miss Apple hands me a note. I open it and it says, Marisol, I want you to know that I like you just the way you are. Because the Marisol McDonald that I know is a creative, unique, bilingual, Peruvian, Scottish, American, soccer playing artist and simply marvelous. Miss Jamaica Apple. I skipped all the way home. When I wake up on Saturday, I put on my pink shirt, my polka dot skirt, and my favorite hat, the one my abuelita bought me from Peru. At breakfast, I say, my name is Marisol McDonald, and I don't match because I don't want to. Bravo, says Mommy. Good for you, says Dad. Now, let's go to the pound and get a puppy. When we get to the pound, there are big dogs and little dogs. There are dogs with long noses and dogs with smudge faces. There are chocolate-colored puppies and smoky gray puppies and puppies the color of caramel. How will I ever choose? Then I see him. He has one floppy ear and one pointy, one blue eye and one brown eye. He is beautiful. I walk over and he leaps into my lap. I cuddle him and it sounds like he purrs. I think we found just the right dog for you, Marisol, Mommy says. My puppy is perfect. He is mismatched and simply marvelous, just like me. I think I'll name him Kitty. And that is the end of this story. So, just like Marisol has different types of clothing that is unique to her, the people that we're talking about today, the Guna people, who are natives from Panama and Colombia, also have their own form of clothing, which are called Molas. And here's a picture of some of the Molas that they've done. And if you want to know more about the Guna people, you can just check out this book from the library called Cultures of the World, Panama. Today we are going to be making our own mola, which are translates into clothing, and it's a type of clothing that has a pattern and a design on it that the Guna people from Panama wear, and they are also from Colombia, but they're mostly from Panama. In your kits, you're going to have a white sheet of paper, a colored sheet of paper, and a black sheet of paper. And what you're going to need is markers, crayons, or colored pencils, a pencil or lead pencil, glue stick or glue, but if you have glue stick, it's better to use the glue stick for this craft, and scissors. If you need help with scissors, just ask your grown-up, okay? So what you're going to do first is you're going to get your white paper and your pencil and draw a design on the middle part, and you're going to want to put something like a bird, a flower, a star, whatever you'd like on it. And then you're going to use your crayons, markers, colored pencils to color it in. And once you have that shape done, you're going to want to cut it out. And if you need help with your ask your grown-up. Once you cut it out, you're going to use your glue stick and glue it in the middle, just like I did. I did a little bird, and I just drew, used the other markers to draw lines around it to outline the bird. So now with the other sheet of paper that you have left over, you're going to want to cut different strips, and you're going to just place it around on the black part of the paper. And I made 3 sizes. I made this one, and then a smaller one. And I may end up cutting a little bit more depending on where I want to place it. Once you have the strips, you're going to use your glue stick and just glue it and glue it on the black. So this is how my mola art came out to be. And so I just kind of placed it all everywhere and created a little pattern around my bird. So I hope you guys liked this craft, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.